Hey folks, I got one last video for you, and it really doesn't have to do with this chapter, but I feel like there's no better time to record this video than at the end of this chapter. I just want to say thank you. This has been a hell of a semester. I have been teaching for 8 or 9 years now, and I've never had anything like this, and it's something. So I just want to say that you guys, deserve a pat on the back yourself. Give yourself a moment, right? Give yourself a moment to really kind of appreciate what you've been able to do. Has this been perfect? I don't think so. Has it been good? Yeah, I do think this has been good. And I think you've done a great job transitioning to online and rolling with the punches. And I'll tell you what, I give you guys a lot of credit for putting up with all of this. Not that you have a whole lot of a choice, but you've done it in stride. Thank you. This could have been a lot harder, and you guys made it a lot easier. So I appreciate that. I appreciate you. I don't want to get all mushy, but credit where credit's due. You deserve some credit. Good job. You made it really far. Don't stop yet, right? Don't take your foot off the gas. Almost to the end. But again, thank you. Thank you for a good term. Thank you for a good semester. I hope to see you guys in the fall, either in my class or not. That's fine. Swing by my office. Say hi. I feel weird that I haven't seen you guys in person, and that I'm not going to see you guys in person for the final. I don't know. There's just something weird about that. Usually that's a nice little period on the course, and we're not going to have that. So swing by. Tell me what you guys did over the summer. Feel free to just chat. All right. Also, my inbox is available. If you guys just want to chat about something about physics, great. If you want to talk about, I don't know, anything, my inbox is open. Anywho, thank you. Have a good summer.